Bacon Place VA, and this is 11 Bamboo, and this is Celine or Stacy. So let's start. Let's gap our gills, buddy. Okay, let's Tagalog na. Bilis, bagal nyo. Essay. Mukha kang essay. Mas mamaya mahulog ka. No. Tara dito, Bili. Pagiri naman tong ngipin na to. Parang ngipin ni Stacy. Ako mag-edit nito lahat. Dami yung kahit ang daming daga. Find the cabinet daw on the find the cabinet on the key. Find the key on the cabinet. Ito, nandito na nandito. Nandito sa side, hindi dyan. Okay, let's open na. Wow, ano to? It's so scary. Where are you? You guys are so bad, huh? Oh, no. No, look at Stacy. Namatay ka na. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Yeah. Namatay na. Ito na, Stacy. Bala ka dyan, Stacy. We love you. Wala pa tong checkpoint. Let's go. Hurry. Open. May mag-close ka na rin. Open. Close. Open. Gusto nyo babalo? So guys, yan, AFK sila. Ako na lang watira. Oh my God, look at this food. Look at that. Ang pangat ang mukha mo, babe. May tattoo siya guys, pudding daw. Beta. Ah, tabs. Ay, hindi talaga. Tabs. Tabs, wet nutritions. Hindi talaga tabs. May tabs. Mamaya, screenshot ko. Ano nakalagay? About nutrition. Tabs sa akin eh. Ano yan? At least walang tayong pwet ko. Stacy meron. Hindi ko ano makain. Tignan mo ka. Ang baho, Stacy. Ang baho. Good luck. Yeah, what the hell is this? Wala, kapatagin na si Stacy. We got in, everyone. Very easy. Very easy. You're so noob. Look, it's slippery. Wow, building. Okay. Yeah. Up. Uy, yan. Step, go, 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 go. Yeah. Bye na everyone. Everyone, nasa na kayo, everyone? Nasa na kayo? Yay! Gosh, nandiyan na si Nara. Nandiyan na si Zanara, Yini, F. Fernando. Deserve. Hi, S pala. Yes, kala ko F. Sabi, mag-disconnect ako. Ay, sabi ko, ano? It's yung ano. Mag-disconnect ako.